Okay, I apologize. I just kept going and there's no good result. So what we have finally is a broken off piece again. So the first one broke on the first digit, the second one broke on the last digit. I'm going to mount this now and glue it together with super glue. If this super glue here is alive. Not looking very promising. Let's come from here. Nope, this one is not. So, fresh one. I love these little ones because they are obviously once. Come on. Spoke too soon? I get it. Okay, there's no hole punched yet, so it's not open yet. So let's close this little lid here and then use this whole thing to let this bottom out, and that should be the thing. So meaning I'm going to now glue it on the surface where this broke. I'm still keeping my options open here. I'm pushing this in where it should be. See, like the last digit came in really nice, and I'm just going to clamp it. Let you see in a minute what's happening. Or actually, let me push this thing in. Where is it? There you are. There you are. I want this in too. Okay, now that's the issue with super glue. It just dries out. And here we go. I want to hold this. So I'm gluing this now. We'll glue the other one as well, but I only have one clamp, so you'll wait for that. Okay, so this concludes it. So please, anyone out there, have a trick how to put this in, or tell me what was wrong. Did I use the wrong rubber for the wrong shoe? What is the story? Aha, I'm lost, okay? Thanks very much for your help.